Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel, JOLAS Tees. I know this is not Monday motivations with me, but it doesn't have to be Monday for me to get on to say, hey y'all. And those of you who follow me, you guys always know that I say, hey y'all. But anywho, the reason I'm back here today is to show you yesterday when I went live on my YouTube channel, JOLAS Tees, I started making me a tie-dye t-shirt, and that's the reason I'm back here to show you the results and to just give you an update just to see, because I told you oh my goodness. And so yeah, I had to stop and show you. I didn't follow my own instructions that you really should wear gloves unless you don't mind getting your hands covered in dye. But I got my gloves now because I do have to rinse it. This is the results. This is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like. And I mentioned yesterday in my YouTube live video, that I made myself a vision board and that I have some mantras mentioned on there, and that I was going to put those exact mantras on this t-shirt. And I have to decide what color vinyl I'm going to use to put it on there, and even the layout. And they were: get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. And I would encourage you to do the same, because, you know, life be lifing. There's that word again. But I also put on my vision board one of my favorite scriptures, which is, and I'll read it to you. It's Galatians 6, verse 9. And let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. And there were so many times when I wasn't feeling my best. I just felt like I just don't want to do it. Not that I was giving up. I'm never going to give up. But I didn't have the energy. So that scripture alone was so encouraging to me. So yeah, that's now one of my favorite scriptures. And yeah, so that's why I'm here. It's Tuesday. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. And remember, you have one body. Take good care of it. Do the best you can. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, share it, leave a comment. Let YouTube know I exist. Okay, guys? All right. Talk to you later. And don't forget to check out my lives, my Monday motivations with me. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.